Hello. This is Miss Carolyn coming at you today with just a little meal prep tip. Today I am preparing chicken drumsticks. I'm going to bake them in the oven. I'm going to let them saute for a little while in this Korean barbecue sauce. Well, Korean barbecue marinade. It's for beef, but it tastes great on chicken, pork, or anything. And I've already pulled the skin off of my chicken, and I season it with adobo and parsley. And the reason why I pulled the skin off is because I'm baking it and I want all the flavors to soak all the way through. If I was grilling it, I wouldn't pull the skin off. What I like to do to make sure that my marinade and seasonings soak all the way through, after I pull the skin off, I cut little slits in my chicken so that the meat is exposed more and the seasonings will soak through. So that's what I've done to all of these. Put a little slit so that meat can be exposed and just all those seasonings can soak through. So that's just basically my tip, was to pull the skin off and kind of cut your meat a little bit so that it can soak through, all your seasonings can soak through and be exposed. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my marinade on, and I'm going to let that marinade in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I'll bake it in the oven. I'm just going to prepare these potatoes to go with it. Let's go ahead and pour that marinade. I put a little bit more adobo on there. And parsley makes lots of food items, meat items, taste really, really good. It really brings out the flavor. So we're gonna make sure that marinade get in there, and we're gonna soak that for a little while, a couple of hours. On my hand, there's a temporary tattoo. That's something else that I've started to get into, making and doing temporary tattoos. I wish I would have discovered this before I actually got my permanent ink. Actually, I kind of figured this out going to the tattoo shop to get another permanent ink, but I decided not to. After I saw the stencil process, I was like, hey, I can do temporary tats instead of doing permanent ink. So we'll let that sit for a while. Come back and bake that. And I hope that this tip helps someone. Have a great day.